Hey, what's going on everyone? It's Casey here. In today's quick little Sunday video, we're going to be recapping this trade we took on Tesla in the room on Friday. And I want to just break down this area here and go over how we knew that it was reversing and potentially about to put in a new high of day. So let's look at what we were looking at. About 30 minutes in, Tesla puts in this nice explosive move up and then starts pulling back. Now the main thing I'm watching on these pullbacks are these lower highs and lower lows it's putting in. Let me show you why that's so important. So there's the top. It pulls back here for a little bounce. And what does it put in? It puts in a lower high. It pulls back a little more. Puts in another lower high. So what are we seeing here? We're seeing a nice move. Then it's pulling back to lower highs and lower lows. Why is this important? Because it's telling you the stock is in a downtrend. It doesn't matter if we are just in a little pullback. You never want to go long in a downtrend. You never want to go short in an uptrend. The trend is your friend. You're looking to join it and not fight it. It doesn't matter if you're on the 4-hour or daily or just a little intraday chart like this, day trading, the same rules apply. You never want to go long in a downtrend. And what we're looking at here is lower highs and lower lows, stair stepping down. That qualifies as a downtrend. So even though Tesla made a nice strong move up and we're looking to go long, what I'm watching for is a break of this stair step down. We see that right here. What happens here? It bounces off this low and it puts in a higher high. See this high? This one's higher. There's your first indicator that the stock's reversing. We're about to start putting in higher highs and higher lows. So right here is where I alerted I'll be watching Tesla calls. I'm going to be buying them on the pullback to the 200 EMA. And I'm looking for it to just start putting in higher highs and higher lows now. The downtrend has snapped. Now we're looking to join the uptrend. So here's the entry. I said I was buying at the 200 EMA, which is the red line. It goes right there. And what do we start putting in? A higher high. It pulls back, puts in a higher low, and really explodes off that one and puts in this high of day. So all we're looking at here is a nice move up, then a little downtrend pullback, and then it snaps and the trend continues. Let me show you an easier way to spot this. Again, lower highs, lower lows. Stock puts in a higher high. What's that tell you? It's reversing. Safe to buy the first pullback now. What you're watching for now is higher highs and higher lows. The exact opposite. An easier way to see this is with a simple trend line. And this is what I was looking at. The whole time this is happening, we're just waiting for this trend line to break. When it does, it's just a clear visual that the stock is done putting in lower highs and lower lows. And what does it do when it does that? It reverses and starts putting in higher highs and higher lows. So that's just the basics behind that. And that was the reasoning for us being able to spot this reversal so well, is because we picked up on the downward channel. We noticed the lower highs and lower lows. As soon as it snapped and put in a higher high, we knew chances of it, the first pullback here, getting bought up were high. So that's where we jumped in and we rode it up. So that was the basic concept behind this Tesla trade, guys. Simple downtrend